Hey there and welcome back, guys. We're looking at continuing on renewable and non-renewable resources. Now you've got the vocabulary part that we're kind of going to touch base on the examples here. You've got page 43, which is renewable. Notice the page numbers, 43. And then you've also got non-renewable over here on the right on page 44. And you've got your handouts. Those should be glued into your journal. See where that solid line that goes straight up and down, right under where it says use the natural resources discovery education here. You are going to go ahead and fold and put the glue on the back side. And you're going to do the same for non-renewable resources on page 44 on the opposite page. Remember, be careful. You only get one handout. Now you're going to cut right up underneath each vocabulary word on that thick black line. Notice the arrows where they're pointing. Notice also the stop sign to remind you to stop cutting right up on that solid line. As you cut, it should look like this. You'll have a flap for each vocabulary word. You're going to then do the same for page 44. Now to go ahead and get the definitions, this is what we're going to go ahead and do from your portal. You're going to log into Discovery Education. This one circled in red. The icon, you see the tile that is blue with the globe and the capital letter D in white. Schoology and Gmail should already be open. If they're not, they should be open at this point. Make sure you go back and open those. They must be open for your assignments to work. Now, when you open up Discovery Education, you'll have a sheet, this little robot here that pops up, and it will say, it'll have your assignments here. In this case, we've had a couple that were already assigned, so you're looking at natural resources. This is the one that should be showing. When you get to natural resources, guys, it'll look similar to this. All right, this is going to be a little game that you play. All right, as you're going through, you're going to have pictures. You're going to have to determine whether each one of these tiles, these pictured tiles, is renewable or non-renewable. So if you're correct, it'll disappear. If you're incorrect, it won't move at all. Your goal is for this sheet to look just like this. All right, now you'll notice each one of those examples is here as well in this photo. Now, if you hover over the picture, you're going to go ahead and get a description on the side. So you can click on the megaphone and it will read it to you, or you can read it yourself. And you're going to go ahead and get an explanation. You're going to go ahead and write that summary, guys, on the flap here. Then on the notebook side, the journal side, you are going to draw and color that example there. You should have a picture and an explanation, 2 to 3 sentences minimum for each vocabulary word. Then on the very last slide, you're going to take a picture of page 43. That goes on this side here. And page 44, which goes on this side here. Don't forget to click submit to turn in your assignment, guys. Have a great day.